Welcome to Daphne Vlogs! Yan, ako, subaybayan niyo po siya dahil napakarami niya pong pwedeng i-share sa inyo. Ito pong tao na to na nagsisimula pa lang ko, lagi ko kasama to, kaya masasabi ko na siya po talaga ay napakatotoong tao, kaya yung mga ipapakita niya sa inyo, sana subaybayan niyo siya. Please support her. I love you, Tol!
Ayan, good morning mga kalingap. Paki-supportahan po si Daphne B. Vlogs, isa pong charity vlogger na tumutulong din po sa atin po mga kalingap partners. Salamat!
Maureen Tisha B. Ignacio, cum laude. Joyce P. Cordero, cum laude. Elson L. Macariola, cum laude. Joven C. Manali, cum laude. Kiani Jeremy C. Palermo, cum laude. And last, but definitely not the least, please check Alessandra DJ Centeno, magna cum laude. Once again, please check Alessandra DJ Centeno, magna cum laude. Thank you, Dr. Enriquez, Villagada, and Dean Cordova. Ladies and gentlemen, the graduates who have been with the university from junior high school and senior high school to college will be given the Loyalty Awards in today's program. They will be recognized as their names are called during the investiture ceremony, and the certificates will be given to them along with their diplomas. Once again, let's give a round of applause to our awardees this morning, our Latin awardees. And to do the honor of presenting our graduates for this morning is our University Registrar, Professor Elaine Lanuza Pascual.
Administrators, school officials, deans, program heads, faculty members, parents, guests, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. It's my honor to present the graduates of Our Lady of Fatima University Class of 2025. Before I proceed, may I call on stage Mr. Don August O. Santos, Executive Vice President, to distribute the diplomas to our graduates. To be assisted by Dean Ernesto Ontario Jr., the Dean of the College of Arts and Sciences. The graduates of the College of Arts and Sciences, Valenzuela City Campus, Bachelor of Science in Biology, Claire Abeleda. Angel Arugante. Sofia Beatriz Ayala. Ralph Kevin Valdemizo. Mariel Bernabe. Colin Cyprian Dipong. Liz Maynard Bolis-Diz, Antoinette Nicole Cabo, Joshua Elijah Canayo, Tony Jetro Canlas, Zaira Capalida, Mark Angelo Casinga Loyalty Awardee, Mark Edwin Cruz, Raven de la Serna, Joy B. Camille Eloni, Russell Martino Porto, John Vincent Angeles, John Shine Lloyd Angeles, Loyalty Awardee, Jeffrey Anunueva, Mary Ruth Arbis, Loyalty Awardee, Jessica Jean Pakaka, Richard Balaas, Beatriz Caronia, Loyalty Awardee, Brandon Bautista, Justin Mark Bautista, Kathleen Lee Beriran, Mark Vince Pelon, Joshua Beltran, Loyalty Awardee, Princess Kyle Vergado, Colette Bersola, Loyalty Awardee, Jubilee Beton, Lance Angelo Pegnoto, Amina Bukar, Christian Cajes, Dean Paulo Yuch Calma, Jacob Camacho, Giancarlo Carbon, Loyalty Awardee, Clark Kendrick Chua, Melanie Compuesto, Loyalty Awardee, Cart Desilio, Bill Adrian de Guzman, Loyalty Awardee, Julius de Guzman, Kent Stephen de Guzman, Loyalty Awardee, Vincent de Guzman, Jonathan Marcos de Paz, Ronald de Vera Jr., Loyalty Awardee, Maxine de Vera, Jamaica de Gracia, Carl Kevin de la Cruz, Rafael Yuan de la Cruz, Daniela de Luzon, Darnell Dayan.
Itong kaganapan sa tapos ng graduation. Ito na yung kaganapan, guys. Ayan. May bats to pa daw, kaya ayun. May bats to pa. Ayan, guys, maraming salamat. Nakaraos din ng first batch ng graduation. Ayan, may batch to din. Natin alam anong oras pa ito matapos.